Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miss Alice. Okay, you guys, I'm starting off a new vlog here, and this vlog is spend the weekend with me. Okay, I just hope that this weekend is an amazing one for us all. Yes, gang gang. All right, you guys, don't mind this scarf that I'm tying here. Okay, I just loosened my hair this morning. I deep conditioned it. Okay, I'm wearing plastic bag inside to help steam the hair. Okay, I will be going to the salon to wash it, and then I will be braiding it as well, conrolling it again, hence the scarf anti-level. All right, you guys, I hope you do enjoy this vlog. Okay, I have a few quite number of errands to run. I ordered something from Instagram. Yes, I did. Instagram vendors will show you shaggy, but anyway, they have sent it. I'll be going to the park to pick it up. Okay, and then I will be cooking. I have a bunch of cooking to do. It is the weekend, of course. Okay, so we have to make food for the house. Yes, you guys, my friend sent me a goodie bag. So thoughtful of her. We'll be doing the unboxing together, so let's just head to the kitchen and do the unboxing. I hope you do enjoy the rest of the vlog. Please give me a huge thumbs up. It means a lot. Okay, you guys, enjoy. See you soon. So guys, here is the goodie bag my friend sent me. Okay, so let's do the unboxing. Send me coconuts. She sent me mackerel in tomato sauce. I want to say geisha, but we already know this thing as geisha in Nigeria. Everything like that looks like this is geisha, but anyways, the brand is Toma. She sent me thyme, sent me curry powder, tomato paste. You guys, this is 5. Like, oh my gosh, tomato paste. And then she sent me rice. You guys, this is rice. Like, I'm so grateful for her. Chomi unwa, a chomi choco. This is how I call her. Thank you so much, baby girl. Oh my god, you guys, this rice is big. Like, can you see all of that good stuff? You guys, this is amazing. Coconut rice, is that you calling? Coconut rice has called me. Anyways, so I'm just going to go ahead and transfer this rice to this container. Oh my god, this container is from my girl, my bestie wedding. The vlog is coming up. I'm already working on it. Okay, so let's just transfer this. Wow, this is a lot. Points, and I still have some rice left. This is amazing. Like, please help me greet Chomi Choco in the comment section. So thoughtful of her, you guys. Look at, guys, this is the rice. This is how huge this rice, how big this rice, and the rice is beautiful. And I still have some left over. Look at, so thoughtful of her. Thank you so much, baby girl.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I'll stamp on it. In a private plane, I'll lamp on it. Lele oh, they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato.
So guys, this is the item I got. Okay, yeah, from Instagram vendor. Okay, let's do the unboxing, shall we? Okay, you guys, I used to be afraid though ordering from Instagram vendors because experience, they said, is the best teacher. My experience with them have taught me like a lot of things that I became so afraid ordering anything from Instagram, not online, from Instagram. Yeah, At least the online ones like Jumia, Konga, they are professionals to some extent at least. But these guys from Instagram vendors, they show you shege here. Although not all of them, yeah, but some of them are so shagericious. Yeah, shege na shege. So what do we have here? Yo, wow, you guys, here it is. Other perfume, like pocket perfumes. 3, 4. You guys, here it is. Here they are. This is what I ordered. I just said let me try this and see. So this is a Baccarat Rogue 540. Oh my god, is this how it looks? Oh my gosh, I didn't even know this is how the small ones look. This is Good Girl. This is Narciso Rodriguez. I didn't even know this is how this thing is looking like. And this is Coco Mademoiselle. I'm kind of disappointed, but it's okay. I was thinking it's in the box, like in the bottles. They still smell like what they are supposed to be smelling. I've smelled it now. They're still smelling like what they're supposed to smell. I don't know, I have a mixed feeling. This is not what I was expecting. Anyways, we're gonna use them, okay? So guys, I thought to show you guys what mom sent. She sent them yesterday and I went to pick them up yesterday night. Okay, it was really late when I got back, so I couldn't show you while I was unboxing them. Okay, so yeah, here is it. There are some oranges, there is fufu. Yeah, you guys know now I love fufu. There's plantains, a lot of plantains, and it's about 3 ripe ones there, and I already fried one yesterday night. Yes, this is gari. Oh my gosh, you guys, this gari is so good. Like you guys see, so beautiful. There is abacha, there is rice, and these are the plantains. Oh my god, this plantain is so huge. Like, look at that. Odogu dinner plantain. Like, how huge this is. Plantains are beautiful. Like, I'm really grateful for my mother. Thank you, mom. I love you. I'm so grateful. Yeah, you guys, that's it.
Wanted you to stay too long, just wanted you to show me up. So won't you say my name, if you claim you want me, it ain't no thing. You acting kinda shady, you ain't been calling me baby, boy, you can go stop playing games. I know you see it in my line, I'm on your mind, and that you want this back, so I'm cool with that. I'm just trying to match your words with your actions. I need more than satisfaction. Did you really feel that action? Really wanna give you all the flex in front of your friends? How that works? Swear that you're doing the most, but we take a picture.
This one I bet you me, I no get time. The cover my face, calling me that. Big man, we do what's it gonna be? Montana. Let me tell you, what's it called? G-Wagon, all the Bentley.
Hello guys, welcome back. So I didn't go to travel again. I washed my hair myself at home. I just want to update you guys and close the vlog. I forgot I've not filmed the outro. Okay, so here it is. Yeah, you guys, I washed my hair. It's very good for relaxing. So I'll be relaxing for the weekend. In the weekend, yeah, very good. I can't even unravel it to show you guys. Anyways, I hope you did enjoy this vlog. Please give me a thumbs up, it means a lot. I'll be seeing you guys again in my next video. Till then, bye.